Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for August 9. Education Minister Ronald Thwaites is again encouraging parents, teachers and other stakeholders to get more involved in efforts to improve the education system. Speaking at a back-to-school conference Wednesday, the minister pointed to figures which show a slight improvement in regional mathematics results in the Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate (CSEC) exams this year.
Last year, the region had a 35% pass rate in mathematics. This year it is only 37%.
However, the regional pass rate for English language at the CSEC level was not impressive. Last year, the pass rate for English was 67%, but this year only 47% of Caribbean students passed.
Remember what we're saying, these are regional averages, eh? We will break out the Jamaican ones and you'll have them later this week. But the indications are not strong.
Reverend Thwaites said the ministry would continue to explore measures to bring about improvement. Meanwhile, the Education Minister is urging Jamaicans to mirror the performance of our athletes at the London 2012 Olympics and aspire to reach the highest standard possible.
I long for the day when our success in the Olympics of athletics will be matched by our success in the Olympics of mathematics, in the Olympics of English language.
In the meantime, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has again expressed pride in the performance of Jamaica's athletes at the London Olympics and the hope that they will increase the medal haul. Mrs. Simpson Miller watched Wednesday's major track events with some cabinet ministers and staff at the office of the Prime Minister.
I support all the Jamaican athletes, and whether they medal or not, they've performed well, they represented Jamaica well, and we ought to be very thankful to God for where we are now, and we hope that we will be able to reap some more medals.
2 new ambient air quality monitoring sites have been established in Washington Gardens, St. Andrew and Waterford in Portmore, St. Catherine. The disclosure was made by Environment Minister Robert Pickersgill at Wednesday's Interministerial Committee on Waste Management.
Presently, there are 5 ambient air quality monitoring sites in the corporate area in St. Catherine, thereby improving NEPA's capacity to measure criteria air pollutants over a wider geographical area.
In the meantime, the National Solid Waste Management Authority, the NSWMA, has applied for an environmental permit. This will ensure that the agency adopts the best practices required under the National Resources and Conservation Authority Act. The Agriculture Ministry is moving to reduce the country's food import bill by at least $300 million. Speaking at the recent Denby Agricultural Show, Agriculture Minister Roger Clark said part of the strategy would involve incorporating more Jamaican fruits into the school feeding program.
Already we have started, and we are delivering some 34,000 sachets of Jamaican fruit juices to our school children in the corporate area and St. Catherine, and we plan to do 100,000 in the not too distant future.
He added that more local eggs were to be included in the manufacturing of the Nutribun as well as milk from dairy farmers. Other initiatives include the development of indigenous animal feeds to reduce the country's dependence on imported grain and the strengthening of the ministry's research capacity. Youth and Culture Minister Lisa Hanna is encouraging the nation to continue celebrating Jamaica 50. Minister Hanna says while the official celebratory period was August 1 to 6, many projects will continue throughout the year. In an interview with JIS TV at the Grand Gala, Minister Hanna pointed to the Independence 50th Anniversary Legacy projects, which includes the establishment of a sports museum.
I think the best is yet to come for Jamaican culture. I think one of the things that people will realize is that we've now created a template to move in another direction for the next 50 years.
Meanwhile, Ms. Hanna has commended the Jamaica 50 Secretariat for the successful staging of Jamaica 50 activities so far. She expressed gratitude to the public for their support, especially at the Golden Jubilee Village and the Grand Gala.
People wondered what we were talking about when we were talking about the Jubilee Village and the content and the live sites. That's now an experience.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.